Fit type. Vehicle specific. Package dimensions. 3.81 hx 13.716 lx 6.604 w centimeters. Country of origin, United States. Package weight. 0.200 pounds. Founded in 1938, Torrance-based Edelbrock, LLC is recognized as one of the nation's premier designers, manufacturers and distributor of performance replacement parts for the automotive aftermarket. Edelbrock produces their core products in the United States of America using state-of-the-art equipment in their world-class manufacturing facilities. Top reviews from the United States. Quality Russell part. I have been using Russell products for 20 years and never had a problem. They don't leak and work perfectly. I saw a post about cracking the case. That is not possible, they go in by hand. Only thing I can guess is they installed them incorrectly. Also use pipe thread sealer, it will keep them from leaking if you have that problem.